When we begin piano lessons with kids, the first thing we usually do is point out that the black keys are in groups of 2 and 3. So I've marked them here with a line for each group. Right in the middle of the piano is the group of 2, and we will start off by playing these black keys with our thumbs. I've put little stickers on them to show whereabouts on the black key you have to play. The white stickers would go on the black keys, otherwise black stickers wouldn't show up. So if I have a little white note with a sticker on it, on that side the kid would know to play that one, and on that side to play that one. Now in the groups of 3s, we could have a white sticker to show to play this black key, and then these ones are further out, so I would have my little note, rubber note there to go that way rather than close in, because the keys are further out. So that's how I'd indicate to play the black keys with the little white stickers on them. Now to play the white keys, or known as the naturals, I would have a black sticker to show where in the key to place your fingers. We need to play the white key close into the black keys so that if needed you can play both blacks and whites easily. So in the group of 2s, this would represent this key right in the middle of the 2s, and this one on this side, which is further out than here, so I put my note that way and that way for this side. In the 3s group, the white keys would be closer in than the black keys were for that side and that side, and then there's these 2 white keys which are further out and don't touch the line, there and there. Same thing on this side. Now kids may not know that this side is called high and this side is called low, so I usually ask them which side sounds like birds, and they usually say that's the birds, and which side sounds like the frogs, and pretty much always know that's the sound of frogs. So this is high, this is like the sky, this is like the ground. So in order to read music the usual way, the 3 lines will have to be placed that way. So this one on the sky side, or the high side, the bird side, will be up higher, and the 3s on this side will be down at the bottom, down low. So here's how we indicate the beginning notes. If they're right in the middle, they're these 2, one on each side close into the 2s line, above and below. And for the 3s group, little white stickers on these high 3s, right there or above and below. And same thing with the low 3s on the frog side. The naturals would be black stickers to indicate to play the white keys and show where to place your fingers. Right across the 2s line, bang in the middle, or above and below. Down at the bottom, above that 3s group would be here, and here, not touching either line, would be the one at the edge of the 3s. Now, special black keys, I call these ones the links, because the middle one in the group of 3 is kind of special. Like the 2 eyes are identical to each other. In the 3s group, the ones on the edges are kind of equal, but the one in the middle is special. And in between these 2 special keys, we have 7 white keys, if you count them. They are named by the first 7 letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And their notes go like this: A at the bottom, close into the bottom link line. B, C, D, and E near the centre. F is another one that doesn't touch either line, and G is squashed up near the top link. So the alphabet falls within those outer link lines. We can also have these groups, 3s, 2s and 3s, and that's the birds group. And this group for the frogs. Now the frog's alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, it's known as the base. It was where the alphabet actually started. This bottom link is like the lowest note a man can sing, La, and that's why A started here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Kids' voices go in this middle alphabet. That's where kids naturally sing. And the third alphabet is the bird alphabet, and it's known as the treble, which means multiply by 3. Thank you.